Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be the part 3 of our Power BI series. Let's see what we are learning today. Okay, so welcome back. We will be starting our video on Power BI part 3. Hopefully, we will conclude our, I would say, part 3 today, in which I will show you how to create a dashboard on Global Superstore. We have our data here, and this is our stage. In this stage, initially we will build our title. So for title, we have to go to this insert bar, insert tab. On insert tab, we will go to text box. Clicking on text box will create a text box for us. I will write over all dashboard of Global Superstore. So resize it properly, select all, align it to center, bold it, change font size to 24, or I would say 20. Yes. Font type is fine. Now we have to change our background of this title. We will go to effects. We will change our color from white to dark orange. Now you can see our title is not so much visible. We'll click on our title. We'll go to this A icon and click on white. So it is now, I would say, properly visible. Starting with the dashboard, initially we will create some slicers so that we can change our data from slicers and we will have a better visibility. Slicer option, I will click on it, resize it, okay, and I will create a country. Yes, so this country I have created. This will, I will click on this, select the type of slicer and click drop down. So in drop down, you will have multiple countries here. You can select this one later stage. Size it. I will click it here. We will add another slicer of region. So here is our region. Click on it. Click on this drop down menu. Click drop down. This is our region. So yep. We have two slicers right now. Create a slicer. We will create a subcategory. Okay. We will also check what category is. Okay. So in category we have multiple categories: accessories, appliances, binders, bookcases. In accessories we have technology. In appliances we have office supplies. In art we have office supplies. In binder we have office supplies. Okay, so it is basically a subcategory into category. When we in this field, when we shift this up, it will change. See, so in furniture, we will create bookcases, chairs, furnishing tables, and here in office supplies, we get appliances, art, binders, envelopes, and in technology, we will have accessories, copiers, machine, and phones. So it is better we create a slicer for category only. So we will remove a subcategory option from here. We will have a categories only. We will create a slicer of it. Slicer is made and we'll create drop down and select drop down only. Okay. So this is also our. After adding slicers, we should add borders here. We select all by pressing Control. We will go to the visuals, then we go to general effects and open visual border. So we receive borders here. After adding visual borders and slices, we need to see what our sales looks like, what is our profit, and what is our shipment cost. So we will create a table over here. There's a table, and we will click on sales. So here's our sale. So we can see our sale is around 12 million, 12.6 million, and you can see this is not in a proper visual format. We can't just place the sales here and we can show this to everyone, but there is an option in Power BI of card. So there is a card available. You can see card. When we click on it, see it, how good it is. We can just move this over here, and we can see this is our sales. So you can see that the sales thing is hidden, and we will click on this card. We'll go to visuals. We just remove this icon, category label. Okay, and we will also decrease some kind of font of this 12.64 million. We will shift to 38. That's good. And we will now go to general. We will open a title. Click on title, open it, and text. So this is our sales. So we will write total sales, how good it is. And we will also horizontally alignment in center. Now we will see that this is our sales. So see that how our profit looks like, how our shipment cost looks like. But the editing we have done here, we don't want to do the same to the other two things. So initially we will add a border here. We add a visual border, general effect, and open a visual border. So we have a border here. Now we'll click on it and control copy and paste. So we have received this another thing, control copy and paste. So we have received these three cards. So as you can see, these all are same. We will click on total sales, and before the total sales, I will click on shipment cost. So it is showing me shipment cost, but the title is not changing. So I will go to the visuals, general, title, and total shipment cost. Total shipment cost. Yeah. See, and same is I will going to do here in total sales. I will remove sales. I will add a profit here. So profit. I will go to visuals. Go to general, title, total profit. Sorry. Wow, it looks really great. So we have our slicers, we have our sales figure, we have our shipment cost and total profit. Now we want to see that how our country looks like when it comes to sales. So we will add a table here, we will add a country, and we will add a sales. Okay, and now we will shift it towards stack column chart. The total sales, the highest sale we received is from United States. As you can see, we are unable to receive any kind of data labels here. So we'll go to visuals. We will go to data labels. So data label is now on. Yeah. So this is our graph. First graph. We will go to general, title, and I will see. Yes, that's the title. It looks fine to me, but I'll align it to center. And this is also looks like that there is a same color going down. So decreasing the sale means it's not good for company. So what we will do, we will add a gradient color here. Clicking this graph, we will go to visuals, we will go to columns, and we will click on this conditional formatting. When we click on it, it will give us another dialog box in which we can see that there is a minimum and maximum value both with the different colorings. So the minimum color will represent the lighter color, and the highest value will represent the darker color. But it's up to us that what we want to see as a minimum, as a lighter, and as a maximum. So you can also add darker color to the minimum and lighter color to the maximum. So it depends upon your graph, it depends upon your data. So here we want to see that we want to highlight who is giving us good sales and who is giving us good profit. So we will just add a like minimum to the lighter color and darker as a maximum. This is how it looks like. We also receive a legend here also. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. To do more. Okay, this so let's see how our slicers also looks like. First, let me add a border here. General effects, visual border. Border is here. So, for example, if I want to see region Africa, this is how it looks like. Central, this is how it looks like. Central Asia, this is how it looks like. If I want to add multiple countries into this graph, what I will do, press Control and click on countries. As you can see, while I'm adding these countries and changing into the region, the total sales, the shipment cost, and total profit are also changing. See, this is what we call interaction. Interaction between all graphs, interaction between all fields within a dashboard. So let me just this. Okay, now let's add another graph. This graph will represent total shipments received by country. Total shipment. This is our sales. This is our shipments by country. Yeah. So let me just a little bit. Okay. So let me add country here. Let me add order ID. Yes, order ID. Okay, order IDs are different. Click on order ID. Click on count, and we see 51,290 orders overall. Click on stat column. Click on this chart. Go to visual. Go to data labels. Click it on. So we have received data labels also. Now we will go to columns. Click on FX, leave this conditional formatting. Click on it. We again receive a gradient. Click on this. We will go to the lighter version, and as a maximum value, we will go to the darker. So this is how it looks like. After adding this graph, I think we need to look into this data labels. The data labels are not doing good with this graph. So click on this graph, go to visuals, go to data labels, go to positive options, click on orientation, click on vertical. This is how it looks like. Same we will do with this graph. We will click on vertical. Yeah, so I think this looks fine. And let me just change the title and title alignment. Title, number of shipments by country. Align it to center. This is your graph. Now let's add some donut and pie charts. Let me add here which one. On what subcategories discounts are made? How much discount is made on subcategories? So first we create a subcategory. So we have received this subcategory, and now we will add a discount. Okay, the total discount we have received so far is 7,329. We can see 7,329 discount in all over our shipments. Okay, so now what we will do, we will just click on this donut chart. It will show us this beautiful graph. As you can see, there is 0.32k, 0.31k, 0.31k. Let's do some kind of technique with these graphs. Go to the visuals, go to the data labels, go to the label content, only data value. Yeah, or you can just also add percent of total. So after adding these two graphs, number of shipments by country and sales by countries, so we will add some pie and donut charts regarding our discounts. So here is our discount and here is our subcategory. We will add a subcategory. We will see how much discount was given on subcategories. So we have both our discount and subcategory. The total discount was 7,329.73 cents. So we will go to a donut chart. So we have our donut chart. Now it's showing both the figure and the percentage of total, and it looks like very clumsy. So what we will do, we will just remove the percentage sign. Data labels, click on label content, click on only data value. It will show us a data value. Now concise it, and we will also change our title. Discount by subcategory, discount on subcategories. Sub Subcategory. Move it to center. Yeah. Add a visual border. Effects, visual border. This is how our data looks like for now. Now we need to add another pie chart as well, depends by country, and discount on subcategory. We will add our profit chart, profit by market. So first we create a table, we add a market, we add profit. As you can see, we have received our market also here and as well as profit here. We will click on pie chart. This is a pie chart. We click on it, zoom out. Yes. After adding this pie chart, we will go to visuals, we will go to data labels, we will change label contains to data value. Okay. After this, we will go to general, we will go to effects, we will go to visual border on, we will go to title, profit by market. So see how good it is. We will add another donut chart for our subcategory and profit. Yeah, subcategory and profit. So we will add a subcategory and profit, subcategory and profit. So we have received our subcategories, we have received our profit also. So now we will create a donut chart. That's our donut chart. Go to visuals, data labels, label content, data value, general, effects, visual border, title, make it center, profit by subcategory. So now as you can see, our dashboard is somehow going to be complete. We have one last thing to add, which is a reset button. The reset button gives you a total reset of your dashboard. Let me add and give you a clarity. We will create a space for the reset button. Just do this and click on insert, insert shape, triangle. There is our reset button will be placed. I would add color over here. The color will be, this is not good enough. Yellow looks great. Yes. Okay. So now we will add a button over here. Insert, for insert tab, click on buttons. There are many buttons: left arrow, right arrow, reset, back, information. We will add a reset button. So we have our reset button here. bookmark, we have to go to bookmark. There is a bookmark tab available. Add it. Click on this and rename it. Rename on, I would say, original. You can name anything to this bookmark. So now this bookmark has received our instruction that this the current scenario of our dashboard is the original. The current scenario of this bookmark is original one. So whenever I click on this reset button, it will give me this dashboard in which the Dominican Republic, Caribbean region and category is office supplies. But I don't want this. I want my full dashboard over here when I click on reset button. So what I will do, initially I will just unselect each and everything. Okay, and I will now update it. This is the update button. Click on update. Now we have to link this button and bookmark together. So bookmark is basically this current scenario, and the reset is basically the reset option. So when we click on this reset button, it will send signal to bookmark. Bookmark will tell reset that this is the current scenario, and the reset button will shift our dashboard to the original thing. Click on reset button, click on format, click on actions, click on, and this time I would add a bookmark. This bookmark name is original, so we will create original. So we will close this. Now one more thing, this reset button will not work until you select control and then click on it. As you can see, it is showing us control plus click here to follow the link. But when you publish it to the web, when you publish it to the your workspace on Power BI online, it will work without control. Currently I would let you see how it works. Let me just create some kind of things, technology, and Afghanistan. Yep. So now I want to go back to my first original dashboard. I will press control, click. See, this is how you add the reset button. This is how you add your dashboard. This is all from my side today. See you in the next video, in which we will discuss. I will show you how we can add more graphs on page number 2. See you soon. Thank you for watching video. If you like it, please do give thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe.